Ever felt like you're wrestling a particularly stubborn octopus when trying to tweak WooCommerce orders after they've been placed? Yeah, we've all been there. Well, good news! This course is your secret weapon against those pesky post-purchase edits. I'm going to guide you through the wonderful world of Admin Order Modifier for WooCommerce. Hey, my name is Jazz and welcome to Sleekr Digital. Forget about contacting support for simple changes or trying to decipher cryptic code. With the Admin Order Modifier plugin, you can become the master of your orders, making those last-minute adjustments with ease. We're talking about things like fine-tuning shipping addresses, adding a product they forgot about, even fixing that typo before it drives them crazy. And guess what? We're going to do it all without breaking a sweat. This course is broken down into 3 easy-to-digest videos. In Lesson 1, we'll get to grips with the fundamentals of order modification. Then, in Lesson 2, we'll dive into making those core adjustments to order details. Finally, in Lesson 3, we'll conquer refunds like a seasoned pro using the Admin Order Modifier. So, if you're ready to take control of your WooCommerce orders, learn a few tricks, and maybe even have a little fun along the way, let's jump right in. No more order chaos, I promise. Click the video below to start with Lesson 1, and let's get those orders working for you.